Welcome back everybody. So in this class I'm just going to teach you where to save the PHP files. Actually we can save the HTML files anywhere, but there is a problem to save the PHP files. So this is a folder named this PC, and actually this is my computer, or in any way we just have to go to the C drive. Okay, so go inside the C drive, and here inside the XAMPP folder we must have to go inside the XAMPP folder. Okay, then inside the XAMPP folder, well, if you just remember that we just installed the XAMPP in previous class, so this is the folder named htdocs. Let's just go inside the htdocs, and here actually we have to create every project inside this folder. Okay, these are all the back folders, actually different projects or etc. So here if you just want to create a new file or new actually project, then let's just create a new folder here, and the name of the folder I'm just thinking to create PHP. Okay, so now inside the PHP we can create all the things in all the files, and actually we can get the file on the server. So now let's just create the file here inside the XAMPP, inside the C drive, in the XAMPP folder, in the htdocs, and in the actually htdocs has projects, and this is a PHP folder. Okay, this is really important to do that. By the way, I'm just saving this file, and I'm just going to the same place which I just mentioned to you, the C drive, and inside the C drive there is the XAMPP folder. Okay, inside the XAMPP folder there is the htdocs folder, and here it is the PHP folder. Okay, I'm just saving the file in the index name. Now we have to add the .php extension because I just want to create the file in PHP. So definitely. So by the way, if you just know all the basics about HTML, then you know that we don't need to select the save as type. By the way, we can choose the we can select, we have to choose the PHP hypertext. It means the PHP, or if you just simply type .php, then you actually not necessary to select the save file. For now, just click on save button. Okay, so right now I'm just creating a simple PHP file, and then I'll just guide you what I'm just doing. Here I'm just creating a simple HTML file. Okay, $var1, actually this is the variable. I'll guide you how to work with them, but I just want to show you why actually we must have to save the file inside the htdocs folder. So now the var2 is equals to 2, or it is 4 and it is 3. Okay, so now echo, and I'm just typing here I'm just typing var3 equal to var1 plus var not in this way $var2. If you just know about JavaScript, then this thing is really easy for you, or any other programming language, because PHP is actually really simple and really matching with JavaScript, all of its function and all of its features, by the way, and with some few programming languages. So here I'm just echoing the var3. I'll guide you what is this script, but the basic logic is this is the variable, and this variable has the value of 3. I just put it the 3. Okay, this is another variable which has the value of 4, and these variables are created by me, okay, by myself. And then this is var3, which has the value which has no value. Actually the calculation of var1 and var2 mean plus var1 plus var2, so plus that means 3 plus 4. So here this is echo var3. So now if I just go there to the folder, where is the folder? Here is the folder, and I just pick this folder and drop this to the Google Chrome, and I'm just pasting this here as the address, and now it is opening. Now it is the perfect thing. Actually, instead of copying, or actually instead of subtracting or adding, it just give us the simple result. Actually it just rendered the result, but we can create this file anywhere and we can get this type of result. For example, if I just save this file, I'm just copying this file and pasting it on the desktop, and just picking this again and just going to the Chrome or any other browser and just pasting this. Now I'm getting the same result. Okay, but if I just save any file inside the htdocs, so this is the thing which I just want to tell you. If I just save any file inside the htdocs, so what I have to do, I just have to type localhost / and PHP, and then this is the folder name. Okay, then just press enter. We don't need to mention that where is our file. For example, the file is in C, the file is in XAMPP, and the file is in the XAMPP has the folder of htdocs, and htdocs has our folder. Just type localhost and add a slash, and then just type your folder name directly, your project folder name. Press enter, and now it is processing. Oh, it is not processing, and just why? Because we have to run up the XAMPP server. I just didn't run it up. So this is very important. This is our server. I'm just clicking on Apache and the MySQL. So definitely I just run both of them. Well, at this time, this MySQL is not really important. This will be important when we just work on the MySQL, but the Apache is really important. Okay, now let's just refresh this again, and I'm getting 7. What the mean of 7 actually? 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and by using echo, we can echo or actually print any command on the browser. So definitely you understood that how it works. If we save our file inside the htdocs folder, inside this folder, then we don't need to mention anything. The complete directory, just directly mention the project name, and as you knew that the index folder, or sorry, index page can directly be loaded. But if we can type the index.php as well, and in this way I'm getting the result. So I hope you understood, and I just need to delete this file because this is not workable. This is on desktop. Goodbye and stay tuned.